video out there today. These are the best, the weather gone viral, top 5 videos of the day. Here we go. Number 5.
Crazy amount of debris post-Debbie in this New York area. Home collapsing off its foundation from flooding.
Just goes to show you what is in the water, too. When we talk about flash flooding and the risks, whole trees coming downstream, large branches, boulders, vehicles, and reports of things like sheds.
On the last day of Debbie over the continental U.S. Now, here's Glasgow, Montana. Got a heck of a view of the northern lights, Alex.
That is wild. Do you remember the first time you saw the northern lights?
It was on television.
Yep, me too. Never seen it in person. So, but
it's on my bucket list.
I bet it was spectacular there. You go, Montana. Number 3. Areas around Oklahoma City got slammed by flash flooding. This truck doesn't do what Dr. Neb says.
No, why are you... It's probably not going to intensify really rapidly as it moves over the northeastern Caribbean. Fast-moving systems don't usually rapidly intensify, but we've had enough measurements from the aircraft to bring the winds up to 40 miles an hour. So we've got our tropical storm. We already had the warnings up. You've got relatively weak wind shear, pretty decent upper level outflow. Winds of right near tropical storm force throughout this entire mission. Here's the new track. This is overnight tonight, and then tomorrow afternoon, and then tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning, crossing the Virgin Islands of Puerto Rico. But even after it gets north of there Wednesday into Thursday, some trailing rain bands could still be plaguing this area. So rain-induced floods and mudslides going to be a big problem, especially in the mountainous terrain of a place like Puerto Rico. So here's the complete new track. Not a whole lot of changes. And again, Bermuda could be in line possibly for a major hurricane, Alex.
Dr. Nab, we have this hyperactive season forecast. We know we've had some longer breaks. Is it still reasonably expecting, or is it reasonable to expect that it's still super active?
Yes, I think it definitely is, because we're already ahead of the pace of what is an average season up to this point. And so there's plenty of time to realize these big numbers. Now with Ernesto, we got the 5 storms. This could be our 3rd hurricane, maybe our 2nd major, a month ahead of time if it becomes a major hurricane. And when you realize, too, that the second half of August into September, That is the dramatic ramp up and the
Just one Aleve, 12 hours of uninterrupted joint pain relief. Aleve, strength to last 12 hours.
Here we go. Consumer Cellular uses the same towers as Big Wireless, but then passes the savings on to you. Save your money for something else. Speaking of, I ordered us some Thai food.
For unlimited talk and text with reliable coverage starting at just $20, call Consumer Cellular.
Whether you're a